Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mixing bowl sets with lids that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or simply looking for a versatile set to add to your kitchen, these products are sure to impress. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Master 12-piece plastic nesting bowls with lids. This set is the definition of simplicity and practicality, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. It includes 6 bowls in varying sizes from 0.32Q to 5.8Q, each paired with a snug-fitting TPR lid. These bowls are made of BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety for your family while being durable enough for everyday use. The design is quite straightforward and functional, with the bowls being stackable to save space in your kitchen. They're also microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them a versatile option for all stages of food prep, from mixing ingredients to storing leftovers. The lids are tight-fitting, which helps maintain the freshness of your food, whether you're packing a salad for lunch or storing cut-up fruits in the refrigerator. However, while these bowls are practical and affordable, they lack the premium feel and durability of stainless steel or glass options. The plastic material may not be as long-lasting, especially for heavy-duty use. But overall, for $18.30, this is a solid buy for anyone looking for an affordable, multi-purpose set. Pros: affordable, lightweight, microwave and dishwasher safe. Cons: less durable compared to stainless steel or glass options, not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. At number 4, we have the Freshmage mixing bowls with airtight lids. If you're looking for a glass option that combines durability with elegance, this is an excellent pick. Made of high-quality borosilicate glass, these bowls are resistant to high temperatures and corrosion, making them ideal for a wide variety of kitchen tasks. The set includes 5 bowls ranging in size from 0.5 kT to 4.4 kT, making it versatile enough for meal prep, mixing batters, or storing leftovers. The standout feature here is its thick, heavy-duty glass construction, which not only ensures longevity, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The diamond cut pattern on the bowls gives them a unique and stylish look. Each bowl comes with a BPA-free, airtight lid, which helps keep your food fresh and secure, whether you're storing it in the fridge or taking it on the go. Plus, these bowls are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. While glass is a premium material, it does come with its drawbacks, namely its weight and fragility. These bowls are significantly heavier than plastic or stainless steel options, and you'll need to handle them with care to avoid chipping or breaking. That said, if you value aesthetics and durability, the Freshmage set is a fantastic choice. Pros: durable borosilicate glass, stylish design, dishwasher safe. Cons: heavy, more fragile compared to other materials. Coming in at number 3 is the Cook with Color mixing bowls with lids. This 12-piece set is perfect for those who want a splash of style in their kitchen without sacrificing functionality. The bowls come in a beautiful sage color with an embossed design, adding a touch of elegance to your food prep. With sizes ranging from 0.32 cubits to 5.8 cubits, there's a bowl for every task, whether it's whipping up a small sauce or mixing a large salad. These bowls are made of BPA-free polypropylene, making them lightweight yet durable. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, which adds a lot of convenience to your cooking routine. The non-slip bottoms provide stability during mixing, while the tight-fitting lids ensure your food stays fresh and secure. This set is ideal for anyone who loves a blend of practicality and aesthetics in their kitchen. However, while the design is eye-catching, the plastic build may not appeal to those looking for a more premium or heavy-duty option. The lids, while functional, are best hand-washed to avoid warping over time. Overall, this set is a great mid-tier option for everyday use. Pros: stylish design, lightweight, microwave and dishwasher safe. Cons: plastic material may feel less premium. Lids require gentle care. In the runner-up spot, we have the Airtight Chef 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set. This is a powerhouse set designed for serious cooks and bakers. It includes 6 stainless steel bowls ranging from 1 quart to 7 quarts, 3 grater attachments, and an additional 17 kitchen tools like measuring spoons, a whisk, and a spatula. If you're looking for an all-inclusive set, this is it. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady during vigorous mixing. The bowls also come with airtight lids, making them perfect for storing leftovers or prepping meals in advance. The grater attachments allow you to shred or slice directly into the bowl, saving time and reducing cleanup. Plus, the bowls nest together for easy storage. The only downside is that the stainless steel requires careful maintenance to avoid water spots or rust. And the lids are best hand-washed to prevent warping. But for the sheer number of features and tools included, this set is unmatched in versatility. Pros: durable stainless steel, includes grater attachments and additional kitchen tools, non-slip bottoms. Cons: requires maintenance to avoid rust, lids need hand washing. Finally, at number 1, we have the Airtight Chef 8-piece stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids. This set strikes the perfect balance between quality, functionality, and affordability. The bowls come in a range of sizes, from 1.5 QT to 5 QT, making them versatile for everything from mixing batters to tossing salads. The set also includes 3 grater attachments, which let you slice or shred directly into the bowl, an incredible time saver. What sets this set apart is its combination of premium stainless steel construction, non-slip silicone bottoms, and airtight BPA-free lids. The stainless steel is rust-resistant and durable, while the silicone base keeps the bowls steady during use. The lids are great for food storage, and the nesting design makes storage a breeze. Plus, the mirrored interior makes cleaning easy, and the bowls are dishwasher safe, though hand-washing the lids is recommended. The only minor downside is that the stainless steel, while durable, requires drying after cleaning to prevent water spots. But overall, this set offers exceptional value for its price and features, making it our top pick. Pros: durable and rust-resistant, includes grater attachments, non-slip bottoms, great value. Cons: lids require hand washing, stainless steel needs careful drying.